y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Diamond, also known as the quality name here on YouTube, Instagram, and technically Twitter. If you are brand new here, hey, how you doing? You gonna be a quality babe? You thinking about it? You don't know? Possibly? I don't know. Anyway, this is my first vlog and I wanted to share with you all that I just got a new camera and you guys can see what kind of camera it is, but if not, it is the Canon Powershot G7 II, I believe that's what it's, yeah, G7X. Oh, G7X too. Yeah. And so I got the video creator kit thingamabob, and this is everything that it came with. And yeah, so that was that. And now I am about to fold up some clothes. So typically what I like to do on, I believe this was a Monday. Typically what I like to do on Monday is like just like house chores, grocery shopping, things of that nature, unboxing, unwrapping different items and whatnot. But yeah, this is just me folding up some clothes. Also, if I sound a little different, I feel like you can hear the sound of my computer. But anyways, if I sound a little different, I have a Yeti mic now, you guys. So we are like full channel upgrade at this point. I still have to do like the new intro and stuff like that. But as far as like equipment goes, you guys, we are like right there. But yeah, so this is just me, putting up my clothes and whatnot, and then yeah, this is gonna be an adjustment because I literally can't make moves. I may need like a little like sound room so I can like easily do my voice recordings because I feel like you hear everything right now. Yeah, 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 yeah. And that shirt is actually from my vintage black line back in the day. I am thinking about bringing back that design and some other like lock designs. Oh, I had also washed my hair. So this is me just walking around with, I have a t-shirt on up under the towel and then I wrap a towel on top just to get the, oops, excuse me, just to get the excess water that could have possibly, that could possibly come from the t-shirt. So yeah. And I know y'all probably like, dang girl, ain't nothing in that closet. What you got going on in there? But like I've told y'all in the past, I am a minimalist. So I do have a quite small arrangement of clothing. And if you guys would like to see practically everything I love and that I own, I guess, I'm more than open to do a video like that. Yeah, so I got a little hungry, and also I know you like, girl, you was just in a row. What you doing with that on? I had to go outside to grab the mail, so I had to throw on this thing real quick. But yeah, so I'm just making me a little quick little fruit snack. Get it? No? No, not funny. Okay. Anyways, so a little fruit snack. Just cutting off the tops of the strawberries, and I am placing them in water and vinegar. This just helps to like clean the fruit. Honestly, nothing bad has happened to me by just washing it with some water and eating it from there, but I've been seeing this thing where I'm like, I might as well just soak it for a little bit. So yeah, here I am soaking it with some water and vinegar. And while I let that soak, I did a little drying with my I have a dryer attachment thing, so if you see that string hanging from my head, it's just a little silver thingy from my dryer attachment thingy to help my hair to dry just a little bit faster. So I'm just enjoying my strawberries, and now here for a real time diamond. Oh, wait, before that, the next thing I like to do is to smoke a little. And what I'm smoking right now, and I'll explain later in the video, is just Damiana and peppermint. And yeah, like I said, I'll explain later on in the video what that's all about. But right now I'm just responding to comments and also responding to emails. But for For privacy purposes, I won't show you guys the emails that I'm responding to, but I can show you some of the comments that I'm responding to. But yeah, mommy, I know you're watching this. I'm not smoking for real. I explain later. Keep watching. I promise.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so this feels so weird. But so all of this footage that you're seeing right now is on my new camera. Oh my gosh, so exciting. But I am now unboxing or unwrapping my lights. And side note, they accidentally got delivered to my neighbor's house, and I'm like, I just saw it on their porch and I'm like, I know that's mine. And then I look and it said my name, so I just kind of like, y'all think they gon'? I hope not. I mean, I got the box. I mean, I don't know. Y'all, do y'all be talking to y'all neighbors? Because me personally, I'll be like, no, I don't want to. But I'm like, that's mine. What the heck? Because I check, y'all know when you check like Amazon or whatever, they be like, oh, it's left on the porch. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. I look outside, nothing's there. So I'm gonna need y'all to know how I read. I'm just playing. But still. Okay, so I got these. If I don't, let me put my, I had to like pull my bonnet off real quick, you know, in case Monique was outside. I'm just kidding. But let me see. Okay, so move. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, so fancy. Let me also have this thing. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is so intense. Okay. I feel like I gotta get those little, you know, the mic thing that you like attaching. Child. Wait. See, I just be too excited. Instructions where? No. Yeah. Oh. That's fancy. I don't even know. I feel like, okay, yeah. And then, ooh. Okay, now, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, we finna be fancy. Okay. I should probably, let me see. Child, don't start me to lie. Yes. Okay, wait. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me, so y'all can see what we got going on. Now, just gonna. And it came with two, so I'm gonna be so fancy. Wait, is this right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. I mean, literally no instructions. Oh no, like it came with instructions. I'm just not. No. Ciao. Oh wait, it's cause the diamond. I'm gonna get my bonnet. Whew. Okay, let's see. Oh! Ooh! It's so fancy, girl. I'm a fancy girl. Wait, let me see. Y'all can like. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this light. Okay, wait, let me turn off. Let me turn off the other light. Let me turn off the light. Ooh! And this is only one of them. Ow! I'm excited. Okay. I'm over the other. I'll do the other. Oh, I can make it white light. It's like it probably looks so crazy, but it's okay. It's A-okay. Ooh, it's hot. Now I don't see what they be talking about. It's like, why so much plastic? My goodness. Have a little production. I am so fancy. Let me get my other. Colin. Give me Colin. Run here and come get your juice. Okay, we're gonna bring this one out for here more. This one. And we got this one. And I'm gonna keep this thing alive. Open it up. Oh, girl. Okay, put it on. It's on white. White this way. And hello. This way. Okay. Let me see. Oh my gosh, y'all. No. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, wow. Now this is an experience. Y'all all up in my room, but we are excited. Okay. Y'all, oh my gosh, like, I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Oh, actually I got some frozen raspberries. I'm back. How do we stop it? No, nobody. Hello. Don't be looking thicker. But I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I feel like for the longest I have been stressing out with like creating because it was so time limited. Like, I would be like, I can only shoot during these hours. I don't have lights. I can't. And I couldn't do vlogs because I'm like, I gotta be on my phone. And if I'm recording on my phone, I can't even see what I'm doing because the best camera is the back camera. And I'm just like, nah. But yeah, I'm just really happy right now. I'm like really happy. Like, I just feel so good. Like, I feel like I'm gonna edit this today and drop it tomorrow type. Like, I'm excited. But yeah, it's like I've been on this whole, I've been like wanting sweets and stuff. So I saw this thing on Twitter where you like freeze, I love green grapes. I love sour sweet combos. So like you squeeze, you get green grapes and you squeeze lime juice on it. Supposedly tastes like Sour Patch Kids. Not really, kind of, sort of. I don't know. It's just a good snack. So I've been just like freezing all of my fruit. And yeah, it just, I don't know. It's hot. Like, it's hot. You know? It feels good. Like, Ooh. I don't know. This is taco. But yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like, I don't know. It's like I have all these ideas right now. This is great. This is great. This is great. This is great. Vegans be like, no, it's fine, but this is so good. It is fun. But yeah, let me talk about my mouth. Woo! How's it going? Yeah, so I'm so excited. That's it for this video. I feel like my vlogs are gonna just show y'all what I be doing, because you know, that's what a vlog is, right? But yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all, the tutorials, they're gonna be everything. Okay. That's all I got, I think, for now. Oh, but I wanted to like sorry, I'm still understanding this thing about, but I wanted to share with you all, like, I'm not smoking anything. I'm really not. So I went to, what's it called, Wadada in Atlanta with my friend Naima, and we got different types of herbs. So I've been just having like some anxiety and just like a lot of I guess uneasiness, and I've been looking for other ways to combat it other than like my yoga and my meditating and my journaling. And I came across this like post on Twitter about different types of herbs that you can smoke that help with anxiety and help with just like feeling at peace. So now granted, I do partake, I do, but this is not that at all. This is so right now I have Damiana, I think is how you say it, and I have a little bit of peppermint in here, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna read what it says. It's for on my phone. So y'all not like, girl, what are you talking about? You over here, ooh, in the house, you wildin'. It's not even, I promise, like literally, no. Let me see, where is the, always when you want to look at something, screenshots maybe, or no, maybe the Twitter album. Excuse me, babe. Okay, so our favorite smokable herbs. So Damiana is for depression slash stimulation, and it helps to fight against depression, anxiety, and nervousness. And yeah, it was originated in Central America and the West Indies. And then I have peppermint just because it soothes senses, sharpens mind, and is classically used to treat congestion of nose, throat, and sinuses. And this comes from Europe and slash Asia. But yeah, it's also supposed to help with like headaches and to help like quit smoking. And granted, I'm not like, I don't see myself personally, and I feel like I'll make a video on this. I feel like for the longest I had used smoking as an out of what was going on with me, and I wasn't able to truly enjoy it anymore. Like it felt like I was trying to escape, and in my escapism it took away the joy of smoking. Like I just wanted to giggle and laugh with my friends and like eat all the good food and just be in good energy. And because of that, I wanted to find alternatives. So like I enjoy the process of smoking, but like I feel like right now in this part of my life, I'm just kind of like I would much rather smoke herbs that help with these other things rather than me smoking to escape. And yeah, so I'm still present in my mind, but I'm still able to relish in and to enjoy smoking. Yeah, so just a tidbit. Yeah, and it just smells really lovely in here, just like peppermint. Which is like and another thing is like you don't have to, well, I know for some people, you know, maybe go outside, but personally like you don't have to, and it just literally smells like tea up in here, which is like really cool. But yeah, I just wanted to share that really quickly just in case y'all saw my clip of me oh, it also calms, Damiana. Just in case y'all saw the clip of me like editing or commenting back to people and you're like, oh, she's smoking, oh my gosh. No, I'm not. And if I was, I wouldn't be doing it in the house just because it's my mom's house. But yeah. So yeah, okay. I'm about to go do some work. Okay, now peace, for real.